So we agree this is JD's best, right? In 1978, John Deere introduced the 4440 tractor, a unit part of the Iron Horses series. The machine replaced the 4430 that was begging for a few technical improvements. And Deere delivered. Equipped with a brand new 466 cubic inch power plant based upon the old 404 model, the 4440 instantly became a hit in the industry. It was by far the most popular tractor of the Iron Horses series. Getting rid of the synchro range or creeper transmissions, John Deere offered the 4440 model only with the 16 forward and 6 reverse quad range or the 8 forward and 4 reverse power shift transmissions. In 1982, the 4440 was discontinued together with all models in the Iron series. Replaced by the 4450, the tractor remains a pure staple in the farming industry today. So who still runs